Hello guys, this is Torvesen and I am Action. So today, as you can see, we have some V1000 Ultras here and a V800. We're gonna test the machine before the shipment. So let's start. So this is the V1000 Ultra equipped with Kubota D1105 engine, diesel, and we have the high-low speed model, and the counterweight is around 200 kilogram. Also, this machine equipped with the float system, and as the customer like, we add one option is this is hydraulic plate switch. You can lock the hydraulic plate. Okay, so this is our V1000 Ultra. So this is our V800 equipped with this type is Honda dual cylinder engine, 3 pumps, 3 valve, and the dual wheel output, single pilot control, 1.1 tons. This machine, quite good. All right, so we're gonna test the machine. Let's go. Alright, so here is the flow switch. Here's the flow switch. Let's say we make it bigger. We make it bigger. So as you can see, it can turn very fast. Let's turn it down. Let's turn it down. We will see. Okay. If we turn it down, as you can see, almost can move. All right, so let's try this one. Let's try this flow switch. First, we're gonna turn it down. Now let's make it bigger. It works better. Hold up. It's Honda engine, dual cylinder, 23 horsepower, and 3 pumps, 3 gear pumps. Let's see how it's going with the attachments. Alright, finally we finished the test. I think the machine is pretty good. If you like the machine, you can contact me. And thank you everyone to support our Torvesen. And thank you, I am Action. Bye.